gotta do a burnout.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it? I'm gonna do donuts in this motherfucker.
Damn. That's dangerous.
Hey, Rich, Sway, we good. You know he got the break. Break your back. Let's go, nigga.
Let's get it.
God damn.
All right, motherfucker.
Oh, let me tell him. Where's Sway? Where's my phone?
He's sitting on it.
Oh, shit, my bad. Oh, you vlogging?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, perfect. So you can just vlog it with this, Sway. So I'm gonna teach Mac how to do the paddle shifters before we actually go off driving.
Yeah,
because I want to put you in Corsa mode.
Gotcha. Yeah, straight away.
Straight to the mook.
Straight to the mook.
So we gonna put Mac straight to the mook.
Straight to Corsa mode. Straight to the shifters. It's going down.
I'm gonna first start this video by saying, damn, I did not know that Travis Scott had his own seltzer. I didn't know that, but I am in the search to find. So if you guys follow Nelk Boys, that is who I'm trying to find their seltzer. Am I recording? All right, cool. What's going on?
Eli, you're about to get rustified.
What the fuck? You still recording?
You better drink the thing down to halfway.
No.
No, I'm gonna hold it out the window.
No, in there, put it in there. No, in there. No, put it in there. That shit about to. Well, Cuban, today's episode of vlog is called Rice or Nice.
Rice.
Is this called Rice or Nice? That's nice.
It's right.
That's nice. I'm now a YouTuber, y'all. I'm officially a YouTuber. I'm no longer a photographer or anything like that. I am a full YouTuber now, so. Well, we got two Hondas right here. Mine will be parked right here, but my transmission's broke. It's going to the dealer tomorrow. But not glad this shit is nice, but mine is better though. But it's nice though. I like it. It's Honda Central over here. And Miata, that one, I think hopefully right there. This is what started my journey, man. Rice or nice? Are comment down below. Rice or nice? All right. All right. Is that Huracan rice or nice? Let me know. All right, y'all. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but Honda. Let me know. This Hot Wheels. Rice or nice?
Chemicals? Can't even get mine that clean.
The hood is nice. I like the hood.
It's just chemicals.
What are we looking at next?
All right, Cuban. On next episode of Rice or Nice, this is the best. I'm not gonna lie. This is the best Honda Accord I've ever seen. Not gonna lie.
Oh, look at the exhaust.
Oh, he got fucking side exits out that bitch. Not gonna lie. This is not rice. There's a lot going on, but it's nice. Not gonna lie, because my theme is the opposite. Mine is orange with blue. His is blue with orange.
Right.
This is cold. I'm gonna go. This is cold though. And I'm not gonna lie. This is cold. You got sun kiss right there. That's cold.
I need to do that.
That's hard. Oh, with the cells right there too. Not gonna lie, Q. That's hard, bro.
Look at the interior.
Let me show y'all the interior is cold. It's clean, so that doesn't matter. Don't get shut. Is the engine bay matching the car? Either it's part of the car or the car matching the engine bay. I don't know. I just know it's there's a lot of Hondas out here. I'm not gonna lie. It's Honda Central, and where are we? Fontana. And we're in. I'm not gonna lie. If you live in Fontana, I'm sorry, but I will never live out here. It's nice for racing.
Yeah, one more
But hell no, it's hot. This is nice.
Save 100.
No, see, it's like this. Hell no. But I ain't gonna lie, it is nice though. It's like there's not a lot going on. Hey, look, y'all. I'm sorry if it's loud as shit. This nigga over here talking loud as shit on the mic. But this Lexus is nice. I ain't gonna lie. The diffuser I don't know about, but everything else is nice. Nice meaty tires, no homo. Carbon spoiler. See, it's nice. Don't miss it bad.
Yeah, it's good. Nobody got it.
Yeah, that ain't that. I doubt he watched my video, but the rubber is a little fucked up now. Yeah, it is now Cuban. Is it now Cuban? All these stock cars. You got a stock Impala with stickers. Alright, a stock Honda stickers. Another stock car. And another stock car. All these stock cars with stickers. Yes. This the bad boy right here though. See, fuck all these other cars. Fuck every car over here. This is the CLS 550 AMG, the Brabus one, I think. Yeah. Oh, the 600. The 600 Brabus. Okay, see? It's nice. It's sexy.
Are you serious? Not more than tires.
This is nice, I ain't gonna lie. This is Benz hard.
Just a couple of weeks ago.
Can't wait to get mine. Fuck Dodge and fuck goddamn FCA.
What does the B stand for?
Brabus.
It's like an extra
Sexy.
wheel. The whole car's in it.
Why?
It's like it's like Shelby.
Yeah.
Like an AMG, and they just dump a shitload on
Like a Hennessy.
Yeah, like a Hennessy. You know what I mean?
Beautiful. But this is what you would expect. It's cool though.
There's just no way I'm ever quitting racing. Toru! They're here!
That's nice though. That's the carbon.
Project D. Finally, you show yourself.
All right, we're gonna just allow the Lambo to rev up real quick. Get your cameras ready. It's fully tuned. No one else but the Lambo. Let's go. Hey, that's something that he earned for bringing that car here. That is, damn. That was a loud two-step right there. It hurt my ear. Once again, we thank each single one of you guys for coming on out. Drive home safe. Have a great week.
Y'all seen the orange Supra earlier in the vlog and on my story. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at @SwayMedia_. And don't forget to subscribe to my OnlyFans. It's in my link. Also, it'd be in my story and it's the first link in my description. But you don't see any orange cars that looks good with grays. Nice Supra. And we have the owner right here.
Let's
So
go.
shout out to you, because if you don't know, so a little loud, but every car part, almost every car part besides like real engine stuff that's on my Honda have been purchased from his shop. So if you don't know, well, where's the shop name? And where is it located at?
Name's Drew, owner of Oma Motorsports. We're located in Montclair, California. 5438 Holt Boulevard, Montclair, California. Just in case you want to slow down and rewind that video, you're good there to go.
I'll put it on the screen and I'll put his information in my description because cool people's. I'm always at a shop. I live in busy downtown LA, so it's like a 2-hour drive. But honestly, even if his shop wasn't Vegas, because me, I hate shopping alone.
Yeah.
I personally, I do like, because I don't like waiting. Yeah. So the first thing I wanted was, so when I first bought my car, I bought springs like 2 days after I had the car, and I drove to the shop. I bought springs, and then my RGB headlights.
Damn.
My ear is already fucked up.
Bro, if you don't know, ask him. I don't know what the hell's going on.
I don't know what's going on over there.
That's my fans, bro. I apologize for
Yo, guys, this is Mr. Arnez right here,
I'm
homie
sorry,
day one. Right
I
here,
apologize for my fans. I'm out here making this music
My ears hurt.
for my car folk. And this is what we do. Follow me on Instagram at King Arnez, man.
Be right there.
Yes, sir.
That's crazy, man. But yeah, it's cool people's. That's cars that do need mufflers. They do need mufflers on the goddamn car, man. But yeah, man, this is a clean ass Supra right here.
Thank you, bro.
Shop at his shop online, because you have an online store.
Yeah, you can support us on the internet. I know we're against the internet a little bit, but if you want to support a small mom and pop shop in California, where it's as hard as top tier as it gets, you can support us. We do have a website that allows you to shop with us, even if you're out of state.
Shop his merch, everything. He sells everything you think of. So tees, everything you name. It's a lot.
We got a whole new merch drop coming.
Yeah, so
it's gonna be exciting.
Stay tuned for that. Plus the bags that your merch come in.
Yeah.
It's actually neat. Yeah, it's because usually shops just
give you a brown bag,
a regular bag.
They're donating material.
The bag is matching the shop, your logo, and all that. So that's the small details that matter. Once my transmission gets fixed, I'm always adding something to my car every week. I don't know what I can add next. The car has everything. It's a lot I want to do because I'm also about to get another car as well. I don't want to snitch too much, but I'm getting another car as well, so I might keep the Honda daily. Take off every actual engine mod, just keep it stock, just a little tune, and then go all looks. What do you think?
You can
it's a Honda.
wrong with saving gas, bro.
Oh yeah. For the Honda, I think the worst gas mileage ever. I think my gas mileage right now is 15 miles per gallon. Shout out to the shop again. Go shop at the shop.
Yo, guys.
I'll put all the stuff in the screen, description, all that.
If you guys haven't hit the subscribe on his button, bro, I've only been watching his stories and I'm like, dude, I want to get to know him, bro. Hit the subscribe, hit the follow, the notification button. That way you guys know when his videos drop. If you guys don't follow him on Instagram, make sure you guys do. Because those stories be about everything, bro. Like everything.
My
all types
story
of shit.
is my story.
I feel like I was in the passenger seat with him, bro. I'm like, we had coffee, bro. We went here, we went there. I'm like, damn, dude, my day felt. I thought I accomplished it with you, bro. That's crazy, bro. But nonetheless, make sure you guys hit him up, follow him, chase the dream. Like I said, bro, if you guys ain't with him now, don't be trying to get with him 10 years later, bro. Don't do it, bro.
What if I buy a Supra tomorrow and you're not with me with my broken Honda? You won't be passenger in my Supra.
There you go.
You won't be in there.
I pulled up solo. RIP my homie Alvin, bro. Day one, I got him tattooed on my leg, bro. Passed away to cancer, and I got a GTR reveal coming for him. All types of stuff. Make sure you take care of your people.
Oh
bro.
yeah, because he also does have a GTR. Can't forget that he has a Super. Dang. Yo, watch his channel, man. Because the channel is shop based, but he also
it's online.
He's at Beast too, so he be everywhere too. So
and if you guys see my brothers at the shop, they holding it down day one. Shout out to Chris and Gio holding it down. Even Clay, bro. We're all a team effort, bro. We're all a team effort.
Teamwork, make the dream work. Now it's time to get out of here. I'm testing traffic.
I'm trying to fuck you, baby. Hopefully we